Welcome to Safar AI, your journey to better English. These are interactive videos, so you won't just watch, you'll participate. Throughout the video, you'll see questions on the screen. Make sure to answer them before moving on. These videos are designed to help you practice and check your English skills. Let's have this example. My morning routine.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. on weekdays. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I make a cup of coffee and eat breakfast, usually toast and eggs. After that, I clean the kitchen and do a little laundry. Around 9 a.m., I start my work on the computer. I work from home, so I always try to keep my space tidy and quiet. My mornings are simple but productive.